So now my meat is done. My meat is done, but I have to put some pepper, some black pepper. This is black pepper, guys. Do you like this? This is black pepper. It's very nice. It just it gives the food a very nice taste. The meat especially. Don't put much. I don't like too much pepper. Just kiasi tu. And when I cook the white pepper, I don't know if you people like dropping some boiled water. You require some little soup in meat, depending on what you're going to use meat with. That meat that you're cooking, I'm doing meat here. Depending on what it is going to be used for, I can add some water. And they are already cooked meats. I can add some little water here. Just to make sure that we get some little soup for rice, because this is what we are going to use for rice. It's going to be an accompaniment for rice, and rice we have a tendency of checking on salt like that, like it's good as kept, because it doesn't have and I've forgotten to put the cubes. Oh, these cubes, I like them. These are beef cubes because I'm doing cubes. I'm doing beef. When I'm doing chicken, I put chicken cubes. So guys, those are cubes. Guys, this kitchen is small, but we agreed that we are going to do with what we have. We do with what we have. I'm still doing the meat. Remember? We do with what we have, and now I'm taking a drop. It's not a drop, some little stew, because this meat is for rice. We are going to use it with rice. When it is being used with other things, we don't need the stew. But because we are going to use it with rice, I have to put some little water and still hold the pot with my Vaporite holder. My Vaporite holder is here. It's my pot very well. I'm tasting for salt. Because of the white pepper. Guys, because of the white pepper. Wow. Let me add some little drop of water. This meat is for rice, so it's no harm adding some little water for soup. And that taste on salt again. Yeah, it is good. So guys, it has to boil for how many minutes? And this I don't keep it very far because I use it to even remove the reed. I can use to remove the reed with. And this, after grating, you remember, I have to put it in water so that it is washed. If it's not, things are going to stick on it. So guys, I was telling you that kitchen work is not easy. You have to keep up with the dusting here and there. It's not easy. But who says anything is easy on this earth? There's nothing so easy. And what happens when my doors can refuse to close? So do not ever cook and leave your service very dirty. As you're cooking, it's supposed to be dusty. I'm going to improvise on closing this door here because it's not closing. I'm improvising to see if it can lock. Oh, it's not locking. I've locked. So guys, I'm now done with my stew. That is stew for the night that we are going to use for the rice. Then I've dusted up. But guys, hey, let me tell you, kitchen work is no joke. In fact, let me show you from there. You see this food is already cooking and it's almost done. In fact, that stew is done now. Look now where we are heading. I've switched it up. Look, the kitchen is full of utensils that are now dirty. When you cook, things are dirty. You see, dirty on the sink, it's dirty. And now, down there, the dustbin is waiting. And guys, hey, let me show you. This washer of mine is also my dishwasher. It's also full of utensils. These utensils, I've just put them, I want to wash them. And you see, it cannot contain more than that. So, I have to wash this first. And then I'll come and load these others that are remaining here. So this is all kitchen work. Who has to do the work? Nobody but me. But guys, we take heart because we know we are in good health. And when you're in good health, never complain, because there are some people that are sick, unable to do ABCD, but God has blessed you. You are able to. That's my washer, this dishwasher. And in my small kitchen, that's why I put my electric kettle. The space is so small, guys. We have to squeeze everything to fit in. That's why I put my microwave. Very small space there. And now I've cooked there. That's my cooker. That's all in this kitchen. Guys, please like and subscribe to this channel. And this is Never Age TV, guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye.